A lot of people don't understand why I do these videos. You notice I teach them, you know, because it's record keeping. There's a set of generations come after us, and they will see what legacy we left behind, and they will be able to have something to use. The generation that is here now might not consider it usable because they don't know it, or they do not respect the person who's teaching it. Some people even attack you, but does it matter? As long as you want to do your job, you do your job. Doesn't matter what's going on around you, baby. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You know, it's not about us. Think about the future, our children's. You know, put away the selfish mentality, and it's worthwhile. It does matter. I watch on television people tearing down people's statues and uprooting up their names. So it does matter. You see, it's nothing. Just all metal. You see, it's sliding all over the place.